Welcome to a rather cold, wintry day on House of Random People. Whoa. I can't believe how much snow we got last night. The weather said 6 to 12 inches. My kind of weather. Particularly helping us out with the drought. If you know what I mean. The holidays are my most favorite time of year. Wouldn't you agree, my fellow glatorian? Indeed, Vastus. The holidays are a splendid time of year. I agree. I mean, you got mistletoe, gifts, fancy lights, but more importantly, peace on earth. I know what you're thinking. You're a villain. You're supposed to hate peace. But, me and the Skrull over there, we quit working with Tuma a long time ago. So, yeah, that makes sense. Hey guys! Oh, good morning, Gay Lou. What's up? Did you hear the news last night?
What is it this time? Is it about the people in Newtown, Connecticut?
Besides that, Skrull, look outside.
Oh, it snowed last night. Party!
I wouldn't do that if I were you, Skrull. It's a blizzard out there.
Blizzard? Did you say blizzard?
Yes, Kina, I did.
Oh, lordy, I haven't seen a sky like that since I went to your village in Barra Magna. I tell you, Mananui, it's a good thing we're all safe and warm inside the house.
Yeah, but some of our friends may not be safe and warm. Maybe 5 of them.
What do you mean?
Tyler's gonna get a new Pokemon for Christmas.
Mananui, I think we're only gonna get like 2 more from the Unova region, so there's nothing to worry about.
Oh, whatever you say.
I know. Akar and I can use our fire capabilities. That'll help clear the driveway.
I know what you mean, Malum, but when it comes to a blizzard, there's no travel advised whatsoever. And the worst part, no internet connection. Oh, I see what you mean. Well, all we can do is just sit back, relax, and enjoy ourselves. Wind speeds are at 21 miles an hour, I think, Buttercup.
Whoa! I never experienced anything like this.
Probably not since the blizzard of 2008.
I would probably know, 'cause we've been around for more than 10 years.
You specifically?
You had your 10th anniversary too, you know.
Oh, I did, didn't I? Thanks for reminding me. No problem. Hey, Bumblebee!
Yeah? Did you get, all-terrain tires? I sure did. Got my oil change and everything else. Just in time for this particular kind of weather. And we needed it. 'Cause with the drought, yeah. Okay, if you're wondering, folks, this drought we had actually started in 2011. We had no snow at all last winter, it seemed like. We did get some rain here and there, but the temperatures were very, very hot. And no signs of precipitation whatsoever. So, the rivers were almost as dry as the Sahara Desert. So, with that amount of precipitation, we are definitely gonna get the help we deserve. Yeah, Iowa weathers are always unpredictable. You bet. Gay Lou would know a lot about snow, 'cause he is one of those people that controls ice powers. You're right. I'm gonna go talk to him.
You really wanted to get him that for Christmas?
Yeah, Strack. Because you know Barracks, always a little trickster.
Say, how come the Matoran are on this show, but the Glory are not?
I have absolutely no idea, Vorox. That's something worth looking into.
Hey, guys!
Good morning, Buttercup.
Hey, is Gay Lou around?
Oh yes, he's right there.
Hey, Buttercup. How are you doing? Good, Gay Lou. Listen, I know you've only been in Iowa for about, 3 years now. Yes? And I was wondering, do you know what it's like being in Iowa winters? Oh, yes. There is a lot of snow when it comes to Iowa, but I don't recall how many white Christmases there were in Iowa. I only know that we were like we had 3 one time, so this is going to be our 4th. Is that so? It sure is. So, I think all the other glatorian, Vastus, Malum, Tarix, Skral, Stronius, Motanui, Kina, Gresh, Akar, Strack, Vorox, and you are going to have a good time. Yeah, but not today, because when it comes to conditions like this, travel is not advised whatsoever. I know, it's a blizzard, and Iowa blizzards are not a bed of roses. You're telling me, Buttercup. Oh, talk about your disjointedness. So, this is going to be quite the weather for us, and for those of you who wanted some relief from the drought, you are more than likely going to get it. Tune in to another episode of House of Random People, when you will hear Stronius say...
I guess that even though the weather may not be good outside, it does have some benefits. I wonder if it does more to provide moisture for our grass. Wow. Now there's something I can ask Siri or Galaxy. Farewell, our fellow viewers, until we meet again.